Alright, I'm going to do a quick update on the aquaponic system here. The fish, you can see them over there around the driftwood. I'm getting ready to take these goldfish out. I'm going to put tilapia in probably in the next week or so. The system's, the ammonia level is like 0. But the nitrites and nitrates is way up there. So I'm just waiting for the nitrites to come down, because that's pretty detrimental to the fish. Then I planted a few more plants in here, hopefully to take the nitrates down, or nitrates. And I got some Japanese cucumber, regular cucumber. I planted some green bell peppers. There's a cabbage. This is cantaloupe. And of course my onions. Another green bell pepper. The green beans is like crazy good right now. I mean, hopefully in the next week or so, I'll put a fence up here along the wall so they can climb it. I put a tomato in here. I know tomatoes aren't really good in aquaponics, but shoot, I'm gonna test it out. I don't care. Before it cycled, I had to add a couple of cups of Maxi Grow or Maxi Crop, just to get the iron and stuff in the system. And I mean, if you ever have a problem with iron, this is a great product. Just put, I mean, this is maybe a 500 gallon system. Put like 2 cups in here, like once every week or so, and that'll take care of your iron issue. This is a broccoli, onions. I planted some clumping onions. They're starting to come up now. I don't see any in this bed, but if you go over here, you can see them start to come up right now. And over here. So they're coming up. We've ate a bunch of lettuce out of here already. I mean, I've already planted, this is spearmint. I think this is pineapple sage. But look at the freaking lettuce. Look at the green lettuce. I mean, that's just wow. If you try a good recipe with these lettuce, with the leaves, is a PF Chang's chicken recipe. Man, I've had so many comments over it the last 3 or 4 days from friends and stuff that you know, I did chicken and mushrooms in it. Ooh boy, it's good. And here's the red. They're finally taking up. This one I'll probably be taking out pretty soon. Cilantro. This is cinnamon basil. It looks real good. I just put it in there a couple of days ago. It wilted, of course, you know, because it was like, oh, where am I at? Oh, now I'm in the aquaponic system. I'll take off. So it's doing it. I put a barrel in here to dechlorinate my water before I used it in the aquaponics or hydroponic system. I just leave the lid off when I get home at night and let it gas off. But the potatoes, I went ahead and planted. You know, there's one sweet potato. Here's another one. But this barrel, that's as full as I'm gonna get it. These sweet potatoes put off a flower like a marigold, so I'm gonna trellis them over the fence and let the let the flowers, you know, do their thing. This barrel right here, probably next week I'll be planting these 3 sweet potatoes in it. But tomato plants are, I mean, look at that stem. I've been suckering them off. This is the Cherokee Purple right here. I mean, it's got flowers coming in on it. Hopefully I'll get some fruit off of that real quick. But I mean, they're looking really good. I mean, the stems are really thick. I mean, hopefully they'll push up here pretty quick. Then this is the wicking bed. I'm not really all that surprised, or I'm not really good with this. I mean, maybe I didn't put a big enough reservoir in the bottom or something, but I mean, the strawberries do have fruit coming in on them. You can see a couple of red berries there. The onions are doing good, but the cabbage, I mean, you know, this one's doing good. I mean, hopefully it'll pick up real soon. I think it may not be hot enough for them right now, but you know, to get the evaporation up into the soil. But it's doing all right. I can't complain. So, I mean, if you have any comments or questions, just subscribe and send me a comment. I mean, if you have any questions about the aquaponics, hydroponics, wicking beds, you know, I'll be happy to answer them. So, thank you for watching.